How to fix if your Android Auto is not working. Now if your Android Auto is not working, in order to fix that issue, just simply go to your settings, and after going in the settings, scroll down until you see the option of General Management. Tap to General Management and then select the option of Reset. Now after going in the reset option, just simply scroll down until you see the option of Reset All Settings. Tap to reset all settings and then tap to reset settings, which will reset all of the settings in your device including the Android Auto settings, and after this your problem will get fixed and you have to set up your Android Auto from the start and it will start to work again. But before doing that, try checking the USB connections that you have connected between your vehicle and your Android device. If that USB cable is not working, then you can change the USB cable instead of erasing your settings in your Android. Now do that and your Android Auto will be fixed. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.